Hello, I'm Keith Kendrick, magazine's editor of BBC Good Food. I am here with Chef Rex de Guzman, founder of Turo Turo London, a Filipino street food stall. Rex features in our Good Food World in Your Kitchen video series, demonstrating his delicious chicken inasal recipe. Today, he's going to tell us 3 things we need to know about Filipino cooking. So, hi Rex, what makes Filipino cooking Filipino? What are the 3 main ingredients, and how do you cook with them?
Hi Keith, thanks for having me. So I would say the three ingredients that make up authentic Filipino food would have to be vinegar. Vinegar is used widely in our cuisines as it's used to preserve a lot of our food, but it also adds a lot of the sour flavors to our cuisine. I would say the second ingredient would probably be garlic. Garlic is probably in 99% of our dishes, and it just offers that umami feel to most of our cooking. The third ingredient I'd say that is quite unique to our cuisine is bagoong. It's a fermented shrimp paste. It's very similar to a fish sauce, like a Thai fish sauce, and we use that to add a lot of depth to our dishes.
Can I ask you about the Bagon? Is it easily available, or do you have to make it yourself?
It's a long process to make it yourself. You can do it yourself, but I would say it takes quite a long time. You can find Bagon products in a few local Chinese supermarkets. If not, there are actually a few Filipino stores in and around London that do sell it.
So does it add a very kind of a umami savouriness to dishes?
Yeah, absolutely. That's the whole point of it. It's like I said, it's like our fish sauce, so it gives that kind of pungent hit, and it does change the dish quite well, quite a lot. It's really good.
That sounds really interesting. And can I also ask you about vinegar? Any particular type of vinegar? Because I've got quite a few vinegars in my cupboard, and you use it for marinating, you use it for tenderizing, you also use it for flavour. Is there an ideal one that we could use and cook ourselves?
So back home in the Philippines, we would use vinegars such as coconut vinegar or sugarcane vinegar. These are vinegars that are made in the Philippines using the local produce. So here in the UK, you could use a substitute like cider vinegar, or you could also use even a Chinese rice vinegar to use it as a marinade or for cooking with.
Well, so there we have it. 3 essential ingredients: vinegar, garlic, and bagoong. Finally, Rex, what's your favourite Filipino dish?
My favorite all-time Filipino dish would have to be called pancit palabok, which is something that my mum would cook a lot for me. It's basically a noodle dish, a rice noodle dish that has a sort of a pork and prawn sauce. So it's made using the shells of the prawns, and then you cook pork inside that sauce. And then it has a whole range of toppings of seafood, so like mussels, smoked mackerel, prawns, of course, and then it has crispy toppings like crispy pork crackling, spring onions, eggs. So it's one of those dishes that has like loads of different toppings, and like it's one of those just kind of comforting foods for me.
That sounds absolutely incredible, I have to say. So thanks, Rex. Don't forget to check out Rex's spicy sour grilled chicken in a sal recipe on Good Foods World in Your Kitchen. And his website is chefrexdeguzman.co.uk. Chefrexdeguzman.co.uk. Hope I've got that right, Rex. Thanks very much for joining me. Bye for now.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.